I'm Dora Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog, and today I'm going to be unboxing my December BoxyCharm. Nice. The first thing I see in here is from a company called IDAZ, or IDAZ. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but these are Dermastic Water Fit Mask. Ooh, skincare, all about the skincare. Let me put on my reading glasses so I can read what this is about. It's a water fit mask. So after cleansing face, you have to prepare with a toner before putting this on. Wow, a lot of steps. How many come in this? There, it's hydrating. I'm not sure how many come in this, but I will put the information here. It looks like it's a Korean brand, so they're all about the skincare. The next thing I see here is from Algunas, their Superfood Matcha Eye Dew Refreshing Eye Gel. Yes, for those late nights of studying, for those times where you feel your eyes can't go on anymore, for losing sleep. Yeah, Algunas is a great brand. I love their cleansing balms. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And they also have a cleanser that's delicious as well, and it's with stila in it, and it's like a foaming with a pump. It's a foaming cleanser. Love it. So this is the Matcha Eye Dew. And there's the little point right there, which is really cute. Just gonna see if I can you see that? All right. Has a slight green tinge to it. Please ignore that. That's from a prior thing. It does have a scent, but to me it smells clean. This goes under the eye as such. It does feel cooling. Ooh, I like that. What does it say here? This cooling gel immediately quenches and hydrates the eye area throughout the day. Directions are gently put around the eye area. Use alone or over makeup. And they say, of course, do not have this have contact with your actual eye. So I'm thrilled beyond thrilled. Algunas is a great brand. I'm sure that won't disappoint me. Oh, here's the actual card. And this reads, Gift of Glam. This reads here, Matcha Algunas, the Algunas Superfood Matcha Eye Dew, full size is $39 US dollars. Algunas isn't cheap, but it's good brand. What else do we have here? What's the other thing I showed? The IDAZ Dermastic Water Fit Mask is $20 US dollars. Okay. And they also list their respective websites on this sheet as well. I may or may not post this somewhere here throughout the video as I showcase the pieces. Let's see what else is in here. Paper. Okay. Oh, and what is this? I do not know, but I'll find out. This is from Kenya Otiveros for Beauty. Kenya Otiveros. I think that said that correct. This is the Glow and Go Kit. Okay, so this is a shine all year round with the Glow and Go Kit, designed in a sleek, travel-friendly palette filled with Kenya's favorite shades. This all-in-one kit is all you need for that everyday glow or touch-ups on the go. The price for this is $48 US dollars. Kenya, have I heard of this person? Not sure, but it looks almost like a book, you know. Oh my goodness. Okay, and here is the protective cover. It has a mirror, which is lovely. And look at those beautiful, beautiful shades. There we go. So I'm assuming the top ones are the eyeshadows, the bottoms are more about the bronzers, and on the side is a blush and highlighter. These are gorgeous. What do you think? It has lovely names like Driven, Empower, Captivate, Limitless, Fearless, and Goals, which the goals looks like to me could also be used as a brow piece. And then there's Joy, Independent, Angelic, and Divine, which Divine looks like a bronzer as well as Independent. This is a beautiful, it definitely, the description definitely tells me why this exists the way it does. And I like that it has the symbol embossed onto each of the pieces. And it sort of has like a leather, I don't know if you can see here, but like a crocodile. You see that type of look? Very interesting, very cute. And I will definitely be featuring this in an upcoming video. I'm not gonna try it now because I have makeup on. Let's see, what's the next thing on here? Oh, I think this is supposed to be a serum of some kind. Let's see. Flawless serum from Epony. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And it's called the Epony Skincare Beverly Hills, a powerful serum that reduces the appearance of lines and wrinkles, tightens, okay, very good, and firms while providing the skin surface with a protective barrier. Helps retain water in the corneous layer. I will put a description of that and what that means of the skin, making the skin appear plump and radiant. So it's supposed to act like an niacinamide, okay, or hyaluronic acid. That's what I'm thinking more. The price tag for this is $195 US. Oh, this is a new brand to Boxy, and this is a new brand to me because I've never heard, I don't think I've ever heard of this brand before, but the packaging, ooh, this is kind of reminds me, it's fairly reminiscent of the Chanel bottles that looked like this. I don't know, but okay. Oh, and it's a spray. Okay. The packaging is sexy though. Plastic. Flawless serum. All right, so let's see how this goes. This is a pump, so.
Can't allow someone like you to wear it.
Is there something underneath this? Does this open? No, it does not. So I have to be reliant on it to pump out what needs to be pumped out. And I'm feeling like there's a liquid somewhere around here, but it's not. There we go. Ooh. There we go. It's always nice to be surprised by by the goo. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I don't know if you can see that there. Please again, pardon my prior experimentations with other makeup, but yeah, it does start to run a little bit, but it's still pretty gooey. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. See that? It's very sticky. And this is a face serum. Am I getting this right? Flawless serum. What does it do? It is skincare, so. This is supposed to tighten the pores. This feels really kind of viscous, heavy. It doesn't have a scent, which is good. But yeah, it's, what does it remind me of? Almost a little like petroleum jelly. Yeah, very shiny. Well, petroleum jelly is the same thing, provides a protective barrier for the skin. Okay, testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. Shall we continue? Shall we continue? Yeah, we shall continue. What else do I have here? Oof, what is this? It's a duo pencil. What could this be? It's EVO Beauty, EVIO Beauty Lip Spo Inliner Duo. Creamy, long-lasting, rich color to line and fill lips. This two-piece kit features a velvety formula that glides effortlessly along your lips for a perfectly defined pout in a matte finish. Named after people who inspire us. And the price tag of this from Evio Beauty is $24 US. And the colors are fairly, you know, neutral. Let's see how these, okay, this is the first one. And this is the second one. Very creamy, beautiful. I'm liking the color payoff. Definitely nice. And I don't get a scent. They just smell like pencils, like how wood pencils smell. So these must be made of wood. They're fairly light and I like them. And yeah, you do have to sharpen them. So get that sharpener ready. Otherwise, very nice. Another brand I don't think I've heard of, Evio, but sounds kind of familiar. Liking that. What else do we have here? More packaging. Okay, and last but certainly not least, is this what I think it is? This is the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. Yay! Dare to be huge. Stila's volumizing, long-wearing mascara drenches every lash in intense triple black pigments and builds unstoppable color for the boldest, blackest lashes ever. Yes. With just one coat, you instantly get major volume, length, lift, and intense black color. Go as bold as you want, even with multiple coats. This flexible formula leaves lashes soft with no clumps, flakes, or fallout. The retail price for this is $23 US. I like Stila, especially their 24-hour liner. Beautiful. I usually go for their forest green, and then they have like this deep blue one. I tend to repurchase it, like if not every year, then every other year. And the price tag of 22, that tends to be around the price that they are, but this is what it looks like. It's just, this is the brush. I'm already seeing a clump right there though. Do you see it? Look at that. You see it? That little clump right there? Let's see if I can pull that right off.
Can't allow someone like you to wear it.
See that? That's a clump. Oh, Stila. And this looks like it's not for nothing, but it looks kind of dried out. Is that just my imagination? Look, there's another clump right there. If you come out and say that there's no clumps, then why did I suddenly get clumps? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I should just apply a little, see how it goes, since I already opened it. Once you open it, you have to start using it because you're introducing air as you push the applicator and brush back in, then introduces air. So it starts to dry out. The countdown on mascaras is pretty short, the shelf life. I think 3 months max, maybe 6 if you push it. Yeah, it just feels very thick as I put the brush in. I don't know if I see anything dramatic, but you guys already know I don't use eyelash curlers. I just can't.
I have no attachment.
So the promise of these eyelash mascara companies to say, oh yeah, you know, it curls. Yeah, well then it should curl without an eyelash curler. But that's the secret that they don't tell you. They say, oh, yeah, it has this formula and that formula that helps to curl or curls the lash. But the asterisk should be there to say it's not going to be as effective if you don't use an eyelash curler. So that defeats the purpose of writing curl in your description for your mascara, because it doesn't do it on its own. And it should, for people who don't like putting devices in their eye or in their face. But I'm rambling. I mean, it's okay for what it is. I don't know if I'm blown away by it, but it's okay. I mean, it does the job. It does coat the lashes.
I have no attachment to the name of
Yeah.
manslayer. Just the same.
I may do a follow-up video with this, but it does have hefts to this. The actual container. It kind of reminds me also a little of Too Faced's mascara that kind of comes like heavy like this.
I can't allow someone like you to wear it.
And that's the end of my BoxyCharm Premium Box for December 2021. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. I appreciate getting a mascara, skincare, some makeup. Always a great thing by me. What do I think is the standout on this besides the Elements that I know works? It'll be interesting to try the masks because I do like skincare and I haven't used a mask, especially one that apparently talks about being water fit, but it has several steps involved before you even put one on, so that's pretty interesting. Overall, I am liking what I see and I can't wait to try out some of these brands and experience what they have to offer. Of course, this blew my mind. Price tag, what? Amazing, but hey, I am definitely into skincare along with hair care and makeup, so this will be something to experience. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. This box, obviously, the value of the box is ridiculous, off the charts compared to what I actually paid for the premium box. Are you a subscriber to BoxyCharm? Let me know in the comments below whether you are, you know, first tier, second tier, or third tier. Again, let me know in the comment section below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button. And even better, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest unboxing. As far as the premium box for December, I give it a B+. Simply because some of the prices on some of these things is crazy expensive, but it also is intriguing to me and I'm dying to try some of this stuff out. Thank you so much for joining me and I hope to see you on my next video. Stay safe, take care, and Happy New Year. Wherever you are. Take care. Bye.